Hey, what's up, radio? Welcome to episode number 81 here on season number 2. And today, we try protein gummies. Have you ever had these before?
No.
Have you ever had gummies before?
I don't know. I didn't eat gummies before.
You haven't had these gummies before, but you've had gummies before, right?
Uh-huh.
Do you think that we should try these first or tell them about them?
Try them first.
Try them. Okay, well, let's go ahead and open them up then. Alrighty.
Hey.
Are you pretty excited to try them?
Yeah.
They're pretty hard to open, man. Time to use the teeth.
Tastes more buttered.
There we go. Woo! That packet's pretty hard to open up. There's different flavors that is in this pack, but I don't know if you guys can see them. I'll try to get as close up as we can. Hang on one second, Jay. They look like that-ish. They're like, kind of just look like fruit colors. Which one do you want to try?
These ones.
You're going to try those two?
Hmm?
Or, okay. And then I'll try this one.
That one will be for more.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. They're really not that sweet. No, they're pretty good.
Yes.
We still get a little bit of that.
Daddy. These will be from our brother and sisters.
Okay. There's like that protein texture to it. But other than that, it's pretty good. Like, I could probably eat a lot of those, huh? Would you eat another one?
Yeah.
With me?
Yeah, but those ones are for my brother and sisters.
Oh, well, you can have one more if you want. So these gummies are low GI, vegan, gluten-free, non-GMO, organic, all natural. And then they're also this CGMP certified, which basically means that the way that they go through like listing their stuff, listing the ingredients and all that kind of stuff is like super, super verified.
Super track.
Super track. So the gummies retail for $3.50 Canada dollars, which I don't know what that converts into here, but they also have a bigger pack that goes for $35. It's like 6 times as big as the other one. That's $35 Canada. Do you know how much Canada converts into US dollars?
5.
5. Okay. Well, I didn't know that. So this one is a blend of the gummies, but you can buy, if you have like a favorite one, then you can just buy that specific one. So out of the 4 flavors, which were like banana, papaya, kiwi, and wild berry, or you could just buy one of those specifically. Yes, Jacob.
You just have you put them on here so the dust won't get sticky.
Okay, Jacob, we gotta know. Is this a buy or a trash?
Buy.
It's a buy? Even considering the price per packet?
I think that is at 5.
So it's still a buy even at 5?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Uh-huh.
Well, there you have it. It's a buy.
It's the buy!
Nice. We need to get to the question of the day. Jacob, the question of the day is, what's the most annoying animal you've encountered?
I saw,
You saw,
I went out to Granny's house.
There you have it. He went to Granny's house. I don't know how that answers the most annoying animal you've encountered, but congratulations.
Thank you.
Anyways, like I always say, if you got any questions regarding Stash, Acorns, Robinhood, as well as general investing advice, business Etsy coaching, post those questions down below. Don't forget to subscribe up here and check out our chocolate Reese's Keto Cup, and check out this other video right here. And as always, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it.